Welcome to our channel. Listen to short audiobooks every day and improve yourself.
Brian Tracy, Focal Point, a proven system to simplify your life, double your productivity, and achieve all your goals. In a nuclear power plant, a serious technical issue significantly reduced efficiency, leaving the engineers baffled. Unable to identify the source or the problem, they sought help from a nuclear power plant engineering consultant. The expert spent 2 days examining the control room instruments, making detailed notes and calculations. Eventually, he marked a specific gauge with a large black X, indicating the faulty component. Following his advice, the engineers repaired the apparatus, restoring full capacity to the plant. When the consultant sent a bill for $10,000, the plant manager was surprised by the high cost and queried how it could be so high. The consultant replied with an itemized invoice: $1 for marking the X and $9,999 for knowing exactly where to place it. This story highlights the key to success and happiness, identifying where to put your X in every aspect of your life. This is your focal point, the key activity or area that, when addressed, will provide you with the greatest benefit. By focusing on the right activity at the right time, you can achieve exceptional efficiency and success. In today's world, with unprecedented opportunities and intense competition, the ability to focus on your most critical tasks has never been more important. You'll learn how to gain clarity about your goals and priorities and how to apply the focal point principle to different areas of your life. Prepare to transform your approach to life and work by learning where to place your X and accomplish more in less time with greater satisfaction and success. Transforming your work and personal life. An insurance executive was working tirelessly, earning over $100,000 annually, but was feeling stressed, unfit, and dissatisfied with life. He enrolled in one of the author's coaching programs, and by applying the focal point process, he analyzed his work and personal life, identified activities that yielded the best results, and eliminated those that didn't. Within 3 months, he reduced his work week from 7 to 5 days, focused on top clients, spent more time with his family, and saw his income increase by 300% within a year. You can achieve similar results by applying some key principles. To double your income and double your time off, recognize that your productivity and results matter more than the number of hours you work. Focus on the top 20% of the tasks that generate the most value and minimize or delegate the rest. This shift in focus allows you to achieve higher productivity in less time. To double your value in order to double your income, concentrate on activities that add the most value to your work. Identify and prioritize these high-value tasks while reducing time spent on lower-value ones. By doing so, you can contribute more significantly to your goals and responsibilities, making you more valuable to your organization, which can lead to increased compensation and respect. This approach aligns with the law of increasing returns. When you focus on high-value activities, your efficiency improves. As you get better at these tasks, you'll accomplish more in less time, enhancing your overall productivity and income. Implementing what the author calls the Grand Slam formula will also help you achieve these goals. The formula consists of simplification, leveraging, acceleration, and multiplication, or SLAM for short. Simplify by eliminating low-value activities. Leverage other people's knowledge, energy, money, successes, failures, ideas, and contacts to boost your effectiveness. Accelerate by acting quickly to meet the needs of others. And multiply your efforts by collaborating with complementary skilled individuals to achieve greater outcomes than you could do alone. By implementing these principles, you'll transform your life, achieve more significant results in less time, and enjoy a more balanced, fulfilling life. So consider what steps you can take today to start this transformation. Increasing efficiency through clear objectives. Thomas Edison believed that being able to apply your physical and mental energies to a single problem with unwavering focus was the requisite of success. This belief underpins a transformative approach to your work and life. By concentrating on the right activities, you can double both your income and your time off. Let's look at some practical steps you can take to achieve this. To start, take these 5 steps to ensure superior performance. First, define your objective clearly to set a solid foundation. Next, evaluate whether your approach is the best possible method, remaining open to better alternatives. Then, identify any assumptions you're making about the market, people's actions, or future events. Consider the implications if these assumptions prove incorrect. And finally, think about alternative strategies if your key assumptions are wrong. Being prepared with backup plans can save you from setbacks. Clarity is the key to everything. In particular, clarity in your goals is essential for high productivity. Your goals must be specific, measurable, believable, achievable, written out, and time-bound. The greater clarity you have, the more efficient and effective you will be in achieving them. To help you in your daily tasks, use the ABCDE method. Classify your tasks by importance. A tasks are crucial and have significant consequences, so complete these first. B tasks are important but less critical than A tasks, so only work on these after all A tasks are done. C tasks are nice to do but have no significant impact and should be focused on only after A and B tasks are completed. D tasks should be delegated to others to free up your time, while E tasks can be eliminated as they have no real impact. To further boost your productivity focus on key activities, work harder by avoiding distractions and concentrating entirely on your work. Develop a sense of urgency to move quickly between tasks. Prioritize tasks that yield the most significant results, spending more time on high-value activities. Focus on tasks where you excel and continuously improve these skills to increase your efficiency. Group similar activities together to streamline your workflow. Simplify your work by consolidating tasks and eliminating unnecessary steps. And start earlier and stay later to add productive hours to your day without significantly affecting your lifestyle. Finally, regularly challenge yourself to complete high-value work efficiently. Set deadlines and strive to meet them. Visualize yourself as highly productive and let this vision guide your actions. Plan your days meticulously, value every minute, and practice these principles until they become habitual. By doing so, you'll eventually increase your productivity and the value you place on your time. Now, consider what specific action you'll take today to boost your productivity. Whatever it is, why not do it now? Simplifying your life for greater success. Are you overwhelmed with tasks and responsibilities? Do you feel like there's never enough time to achieve your goals while maintaining a balanced personal life? Well, simplifying your life could be the key to finding that balance and achieving greater success. To find out how, let's start by looking at what the author calls the 7 R's of simplification. First, rethink to evaluate if there's a better way to approach your tasks whenever you feel overwhelmed. Then, reevaluate your situation regularly with new information, focusing on current realities instead of past assumptions. Next, reorganize your workspace, schedule, and priorities to increase efficiency. Fourth, restructure to focus on your high-value activities and eliminate those that don't contribute significantly. This way, you channel more of your time and resources into the top activities that generate the most significant results. Next, re-engineer your work to consolidate tasks, delegate, and eliminate unnecessary steps, always looking for newer, better methods to accomplish your goals more efficiently. And sixth, reinvent yourself periodically to ensure you stay adaptable in the face of change. Think about your values and vision. Set new goals that align with your current circumstances and aspirations. And finally, regain control by setting new goals and taking charge of your time and decisions, ensuring they align with your values. Identifying your core values is the key to the focal point process. Ask yourself what it is that's important to you. Perhaps it's peace, simplicity, happiness, or joy. Use these values to create a vision for your ideal future, setting specific goals to simplify your life. Imagine how you would change your life if you only had 6 months to live. Focus on what truly matters to you, what you would do more or less of, and how you would spend your time. The author identifies 6 practical ways in which you can simplify your daily life to make a significant difference. Start by clearing your workspace of clutter, keeping only one task in front of you at a time. Dispose of outdated or unnecessary reading materials that no longer hold value. Embrace periods of silence by leaving off radios and televisions, allowing your mind to relax. Declutter your car, closets, and garage, getting rid of anything unnecessary. Practice daily solitude, giving yourself time to reflect and relax. Finally, take immediate action to simplify your life, starting with small, manageable steps. By focusing on the principles and practices in this section, you can simplify your life, increase your productivity, and enjoy greater balance and satisfaction. Achieving professional success and fulfillment. In the past, people stayed in one job for their entire lives. Those days are long gone. Today, you're more likely to have multiple jobs and careers. Indeed, studies show that the average modern worker will have 14 full-time jobs and 5 different careers over their lifetime. Over 1 million new businesses start each year in the U.S. alone, adding to the already bustling marketplace. This dynamic environment means that there are endless opportunities and changes happening all the time. Think about your own job. How much has it changed in the last year? Your field will likely undergo even more changes, face even more competition, and offer even more opportunities than ever before. Within 2 years, most people will be in a different job. Your own role and responsibilities will keep evolving. So, how can you enhance your business or career? Success begins with clarifying your values. Identify what principles are most important to you and ensure your actions are consistent with these values. This alignment will bring you fulfillment and reduce stress. Additionally, your values influence your relationships, work preferences, and overall satisfaction. Ensure your business reflects these core values, making it easier to make decisions and build a cohesive, motivated team. Next, develop a clear vision of your ideal business 5 years from now. Imagine your business thriving with clear goals and a mission that reflects your values. Write down specific measurable objectives and create a plan to achieve them. Regularly assess your progress with performance benchmarks. Focus on specialization, setting yourself apart with high-quality work, and identifying key customer segments to serve with excellence. Continually upgrade your knowledge and skills to stay competitive, and cultivate habits that enhance productivity and effectiveness, such as punctuality and disciplined time management. Turning to your career, recognize that you are the architect of your own success. You can't rely on corporations to secure your future. Become responsible for adding value and taking control of your own destiny. Set yourself clear, written goals aligned with your values and develop a mission statement for your career. Your mission should be specific and measurable, reflecting what you want to achieve and how you plan to serve others through your work. Identify the key skills and competencies you need to excel. Focus on one critical skill that will have the greatest impact and work diligently to master it. Specialize in a vital area, differentiate yourself with superior performance, and concentrate on serving your most important customers or stakeholders effectively. Develop positive habits that enhance your effectiveness and regularly evaluate your progress toward your goals. Remember, there are no limits to what you can achieve. With clarity about who you are and what you want, and by committing fully to your goals, you can open unlimited doors of opportunity. Prioritizing family and building quality relationships. Benjamin Disraeli's words, "No success in public life can compensate for failure in the home," are a reminder that true success lies in the quality of relationships with family and loved ones. This idea is central to the focal point process, which emphasizes the importance of defining your values and living in accordance with them. Your happiness depends on the relationships you build. Social skills significantly impact your success and can be developed. Reflect on your values regarding your family and personal relationships. Living consistently with your values fosters harmony and contentment. Consider what you would do if you only had 6 months to live. Most people would prioritize time with loved ones, emphasizing the importance of relationships over material pursuits. Balancing the thoughts of living a long life and contemplating an early death helps you treat your loved ones better and live more fully in the present. Choose core values such as love, patience, and kindness to guide your relationships. Define these values through specific behaviors and strive to live by them consistently. Set clear goals for your family life, both tangible, for example, home improvements, and intangible, perhaps quality time. Regularly measure your progress. Enhance family relationships by engaging in new activities together and avoiding routines that stifle growth. Develop new habits like listening better or being more patient. Create a daily schedule with specific activities to strengthen your personal relationships, such as helping with small tasks or expressing love daily. Prioritize your relationships over work, making necessary adjustments to accommodate your loved ones. Manage your work time efficiently to free up more personal time, ensuring you spend quality, uninterrupted moments with your family. Plan vacations, engage in meaningful conversations, and create lasting memories. So, commit to taking action today to improve your personal relationships. By dedicating yourself to nurturing a wonderful personal life, you'll enhance every other area of your life, leading to greater happiness, health, and productivity. To Focal Point by Brian Tracy, you've learned that achieving greater success and work-life balance involves focusing on high-value activities and optimizing your productivity. By identifying and prioritizing the tasks that generate the most value and minimizing or delegating the rest, you can accomplish more in less time. Continuously improving your skills and efficiency further enhances your productivity. Applying the Grand Slam formula, simplification, leveraging, acceleration, and multiplication leads to increased effectiveness. Simplify your workload by eliminating low-value activities. Leverage others' knowledge and resources. Accelerate efforts to meet needs promptly, and multiply results through collaboration. These principles not only improve your professional productivity, but also contribute to a more balanced and fulfilling personal life by allowing more time for family and personal interests. Remember to align your actions with your core values and nurture personal relationships. Success isn't solely about professional achievements, but also about the quality of your personal life and relationships. Managing your time effectively and prioritizing personal relationships over work commitments will lead to more holistic and satisfying success. Regularly assess your progress and make necessary adjustments to ensure continued growth and fulfillment in all areas of your life.